Hi guys, welcome back to This is Jamie. So today we are going to tackle my son's dresser. We're going to try this whole KonMari method out, and I am so excited to do this with you guys. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Here is the start of my my son's dresser. As you can see, everything is just thrown in here. There's no order to it. He has tons of socks, and I think the last time I went through this was when he was like 2 years old. So I need to go through this really, really bad. So I just been holding off. And then here is actually like, you know, like his summer pajamas and t-shirts for sleeping, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that I'm gonna have to get rid of. I'm sure there's tons. So when we're done with this, he might have it half empty, but that's okay because usually I get them new pajamas every summer and winter and everything. And then here is his pants. Though they look nice, it looks like it's all folded nice, it's taking up a lot of space. And I know with the KonMari method, the way that we fold it, that it will take up so much less space and look so nice. And it'll be easy for him to see everything that he has, and also easy for me. So we're gonna do that. Here is like his winter pajamas, which if you've seen my recent video, I actually did these pajamas, the 2-piece sets and everything, showed you how I like to fold them. But we're gonna try this KonMari method. I think it's pretty similar. Or I might even just leave this one because I like this method, and I really do. And I like that when I fold the 2-piece sets together, he could just grab that set and he doesn't have to look for the shirt to go with it. So actually, I think I'm going to keep it this way. So that's just less work. And then here is his shorts. I have tons of shorts in here, but I'm sure there's so many that he's already grown out of. So we're just going to go through this and see what we got. Okay guys, so now that you guys have seen my son's dresser, we're going to go through it, and I'm going to take every single thing out of it. And I'm going to go through each piece to see if I either love it or I don't. So this is going to be challenging for me because it's always so hard to decide if I want to keep it or not. I'm kind of one of them people who takes forever to decide. So I just got to go in and just go through it all. So keep watching and I'll show you.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go.
Okay, so now I just took everything out of the dresser, and now I'm starting to panic because I have to make sure I get this all done today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through everything, and once I decide what I want to keep or what I want to toss, then we're going to start with the fold method. So keep watching. I have a throwaway pile, and then over here is all my keep. So I guess it's not too bad. I still will have a good amount of stuff, but I am getting rid of some things, and it's going to look so much better once it's done. I just separated all the socks, and there's actually quite a few with missing pieces. So I'm going to have to go through that and see if I can find the other piece to them. If not, I guess I just gotta toss them. So this is the drawers empty. And let me tell you, it's exciting to know how organized this is gonna be. I'm pretty excited. So, and then of course, this one I was gonna keep the way it is. So, all right, so we're gonna start folding. folding little kid pants, you can't do the 3-fold. I'm telling you, it's just too small, and it just makes it too bulky. So I did the half and then another half just to make it more easy, and it still stands up, so it has to be right? So so now that I got the pants done, I'm gonna put them into the drawer, and then we're gonna move on to the shorts and the pajamas. So keep watching. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the pants into the drawer, and then I will move on with the shorts.
Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat. It's 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 no sweat.
All right, guys, so here you have it. This is the pants, and as you can see, there's still a lot of room for me to add more. So now I'm going to move on to the shorts.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Okay, guys, so now I just got done doing the shorts, and I still kind of struggled with the 3-fold method with the shorts, so I just didn't do it. Like I said, their clothes are just so tiny that it doesn't seem to work too good that way. It just always wants to flatten out. So we're not doing that method fully, but they do stand up. I did the double fold, and they did stand up. So it did work that way, but that's just a tip, just so you know, if you have little kids and you're trying to do this method to their clothes. So just keep that in mind. So now I'm just going to put the shorts into the drawer. Okay, guys, so here is the shorts put in the drawer. I would say there's a lot more space. It just makes it so much easier for him to grab and not mess everything else up in between. So far, I'm really liking this method. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna do the pajamas and get those done.
stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat. It's 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 no sweat.
So as you can see, here is the fold method for his pajamas. So now I'm just going to put them in the drawer and show you in a second what it looks like. guys, so I officially finished his dresser and I am so excited to show you guys how it looks, so take a look with me. Okay guys, so here we are going to do the socks. In this one container I just put all his long socks and then the short socks in another, and then in the back I put just like the loose socks, ones that are missing the pair, in hopes that maybe I can eventually find it, just in case later on it pops up somewhere. I'll have it somewhere in its own place to grab it. And then here is the pajamas. This is the summer pajamas. I was really, struggling with this one. I didn't know what to get rid of and what to keep, but it's a lot better. So, and then on the bottom here is the pants. I have so much room still to even add more, but I'm not going to. At least I don't think I will, because I'm ready to just buy summer stuff and be done with it. So let's just hope that comes very quickly. And then here is the winter pajamas. This is the fold method I did in my previous video, and I really still like that method with the two-piece sets, so I'm just going to keep that one for now in hopes that it just stays this way, because it is working quite well, especially for my little guy to grab what he wants. And now we are looking at his shorts. And if you guys remember, this was like the most messiest, I think. There were so many shorts in here. So seeing that I could actually see the bottom of the dresser, that is huge. Huge. Okay guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the most part, I'm very happy with the results. It looks beautiful, and I might not have been able to follow her full method on some of the stuff. I did get it pretty close, and I did it the way that I felt I had to do it, and I'm happy with it. And as long as it's working for my family and it looks nice and organized and everything's easy to grab, I'm happy, because that's really what matters. As long as it's functional for you and your home, that's truly what matters the most. So you could follow somebody's method, but if it doesn't work for you, then what's the point of it? So just keep that in mind. Like I said, with the little kid clothing, that was a challenge, but I figured it out and I'm happy with it. So if I haven't said it already, thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And leave in the comments down below if you guys already tried this method on kids' clothing and it didn't work out for you. Because I would like to know I'm not the only one battling this. And that'll be it for today. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.